Power. It's the invisible lifeline that ensures we thrive. But without it, everything would just stop. But with power comes possibility, and we're here to guarantee that your power is always on, always available, and always reliable in the most sustainable way. We're your team for the simplest challenges, the complex ones, and the ones you don't even know of yet. A partner for the everyday, an emergency contact for the one-off days, and an advisor for the days to come. With global expertise spanning across industries and over 3,000 engineers around the world, we're ready for whatever challenges come your way. Care services that help you with 24/7 support, from the smallest spare parts to predicting future maintenance. Modernization services that help you put things in place to ensure your oldest infrastructure lives on, sustainably through circularity. And advisory services to partner with you and help navigate where you are going next. By ensuring maximum productivity, profitability, and sustainability, we're here to make sure you never stop being able to create, change, and grow. Every day, every challenge, you're never alone. ABB Electrification Service. Together for every challenge.